What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today was basically a all green day. I mean, I had one loss, but overall, all of the other trades were green. The gold trade, which is XAU USD, is actually a trade I had running for about 2 days, but then otherwise, I had three trades on the NAS100 to the buy side. And as you can see, today was a very bearish day, and I still was able to make out with profits. When I was up, I just basically closed them. Like, I was up a little good amount, a bit over $100. I just closed the trade because I'm like, I'm not chasing it. Let me just stop my wins, and like, I can get wins and wins and wins. Let me just try and do that. So I guess when I'm up more than 100 or more than 50, I'll be looking to take it to just grow my account, right? So let me just go into the trades. I can show you the first trade now, which is actually the gold trade. And that was from this September 18. And that was, wow, I gotta actually take it to the gold chart. So XAU, USD. So on the 18th, what did I do? I entered to the buy side here. Gold actually still, it was a relatively small position. So this could have been a $50 trade if I had upped the risk, or even a $500 trade if I went a bit higher, but I'm not that good at trading gold, so I'm not going to try to assume a lot of risk while trading this. So this one I entered at 1923.91, and then I closed it about 2 days later on today actually, and that was at 1929.83 for a profit, small profit of $5.22. But that's because of the risk, how small the risk was. So I wasn't able to make a lot of money because my risk was relatively small. That's basically it. I used the strategy where I trade in the daily candles, and then I had a close above the previous high. So I'm looking for the trade to continue. The trade continued a bit. You can see on today was the highest we saw gold in a while, and that was it. I could have taken profits there, but I didn't really see it. I just closed it more closer to when the market opened and didn't allow it to reverse on me, even though today could have been a good day for me to close this trade, but it happens sometime. The next trade now was a NASDAQ 100 trade, and that was the loss for today. That was also to the buy side. So you can see I entered all buy side trades today. Somewhere right, somewhere wrong. It's just depending on the timing, like when I actually close a trade or when I got stopped out. So this one I entered at 15207.39. So you see that's closer to the top of the candle. So that was very risky today. Closer to the top of the candle. You wouldn't have known unless you got wicked out, because I got wicked out within the night. So you can see I got hit out at 15188.14 for a total loss of 1925, right? So I had a good risk to reward there. The next one I entered at 1590. So when I saw it kind of stopped me out here, that's when I went ahead and entered some trades closer to that level, and I just didn't get stopped out, and I closed them when the market opened, like in the day while I was at work. So I entered this one at 15190.44, and then I actually closed it out closer to the top of this candle. I would say there was some luck involved in this because the market didn't really break up. It actually played more to the downside, but I was able to still get some profits from it. So this first trade was a profit of 48.05. The next one I entered at 15174.29. 15174.29. So that's closer to this level that I had, and this level is it's actually the low of the previous week, right? So this was what, Friday? Yeah, so this was the low of the previous week. So I had that as a level where the market might look to take for liquidity or actually push down. So it actually broke down. I was thinking you're gonna go up from there, but today was actually FOMC day. So when Jerome Powell kind of iterated that yes, he's gonna keep interest rates higher for longer and look for a tighter 2024, the market didn't really like that. I'm guessing the market was looking for cuts, but that's very unrealistic. The market should know that Jerome Powell is not going to lower interest rates until there is like inflation is really dropping and he wants to more stimulate the economy. So this one I entered at 15,174.29. If you zoom it up, you'll see the difference. You see it here, 15,174.29, and then I actually took profit at 15,240.94 for a total profit of 66.65. If we scroll over, you can see my stop loss. So this is 15,150. So my stop loss was about 15,150. What would get you to there? 24. So a $24 stop loss on this one. This one now was a $25 stop loss. Yes, this one was a $25 stop loss. That made me 48. $24 stop loss was for the 66. And then on the final trade, this was one I took kind of intraday. I was looking for that move up. As soon as I checked it back, I was up a good little amount, $39. So I just closed the trade. So I entered this one at 15158.08, and then I closed it. So the market was down here looking like it was about to reverse. I just closed it when it pushed up because I didn't want to hold it through the news, and that was at 15197.7, and that was a profit of 39.62. So when we had the market kind of reverse in here, I entered to the buy side again, thinking that this push down was just a liquidity grab before moving up. So we moved down, had a nice reversal, and then I closed it out when I saw like a good amount of profits, in my opinion. That was 39.62, and especially since I'm coming from the negative, I'm gonna just use these small wins to kind of build back the account and not try to risk it all. So totally down now. I'm down 137 on the account. I have 0 profits, 0 daily losses, and we'll see how it trades tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a much better day because I'm not trading with any big news coming about. So based on the strategy, I should just be looking for sells. We kind of see it pushing down to the lower side now, so it's not looking like a good area I would want to enter a sell. Hopefully the market kind of comes back up where I can enter for about a $20 stop loss thereabout. That's where I would want to enter a sell, and with a 0.1, so I can actually capitalize on a move. Right now I could enter for a sell with a 0.05 and then actually have my stop loss at 14,970, and then that would have set me up for a $15 risk to reward if the market doesn't reverse up to that level. But you can see we also have a zone here, a demand zone, where the market might just push up violently after coming down to that level. But that's basically what happened today. As I said before, Jerome Powell kind of reiterated that he's gonna keep interest rates higher for longer. Not sure how the market is going to take that tomorrow, but this is actually old news, so this is not something that the market should be reacting to, because basically everybody knows interest rates are high, and that's been the case for a few months now, right? So I'll see you in the next video. You can see my win rate and loss rate here. Hoping to flip these around, get my win rate to where my loss rate is and get my loss rate to where my win rate is, right? But I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and you can see all of my good trades today. I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye bye.